Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find peer-reviewed search articles on Google Scholar using your phone. Let's get started. First, open Safari or Google Chrome on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In the address bar, type Google Scholar and tap Go. You will see the Google Scholar search page. In the search box, type in your research topic. Just type in your research topic. Google Scholar Research doesn't have a special filter that says peer reviewed only, but most articles from academic journal are peer reviewed. To spot them, look for journal names under each result. You can also tap on the article title and check the journal's about page to confirm it's peer reviewed. If you have a school or university login, you can sign in through your library to get full access. This also ensures you are seeing official peer-reviewed versions. Adding keyword like peer-reviewed or journal in your search can help narrow down results. And that's it. Now you know how to spot and find peer-reviewed article on Google Scholar using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.